They say with small kids, the days are long and the years are short. And I promise you, they were not kidding. I cannot believe it. It seems like yesterday, January 10th, 2017, that Gray was born. So many milestones, so many memories, and it has flown. Today, I'm gonna be telling you a little bit about Gray's 1-year-old journey. We had an interesting delivery. I went into labor the day before. I was supposed to have a scheduled C-section. They were trying to get me ready to do it, and we lost his heart rate, and so that leads to all people coming in your room and being crazy, so it was a little bit of frightening for a little while, but he was born 7:58, 7 pounds, 3 ounces, healthy baby, and he's just, he's delicious. He just has fulfilled such a place in my heart that honestly I never knew existed. And I'm not gonna lie, I think having 3 so close together at 44, it's pretty much kicked my ass. I will tell you guys something funny. When he came out, he's very white and very blonde. My husband did give me a little bit of a double take, being like, what? He is literally blonde. We keep trying to make him dark. We're like, he's gonna turn dark, because I'm truthfully not a blonde. But he is the lightest of our babies. He's got bright blue eyes. He's fun. He's got 5 teeth. He's pulling up. He's trying to walk. He takes his step. We gave him his first donut this week, and I'm not going to lie, he devoured it. We had a great birthday for him. So the theme of the party was Camp Stuber, and we made little forts and little tents all in the backyard with little bear rugs, and we had like wooden little spoons and with little bear creatures and things on them. And it was so fun and sweet, and all the kids loved it, and he crawled and he just got in with it. He loves music. I'm not gonna lie, Let It Go by Frozen is his favorite song, and he can dance to it, and he might can sing it. It was so fun. We had a banner that said Happy Birthday Gray in silver with big balloons, and it's just cute. We've got great pictures of him like in the little tents and the bear rugs, and we did a little cake just for him because each one of my kids have had it, and it's all about him, and he gets to go at it and get messy, and he does. But truly, I will say it's been an incredible year. I wouldn't change a thing. I love him. He completes our tribe of 5. He is our magic. And for anyone who out there who is still trying, who still wants it, try to make it happen. Do everything you can, because it's just so I'm so blessed to be able to have him. And my journey, as we all know, was not easy. And I look back and I think about all the things that I went through at different times, trying to complete my family, and it's weird, you know, it's true. It's like you just forget, like once it's there, once something great happens, you kind of forget all the bad things. And that, it was funny, I was cleaning out my folders and files at the beginning of the year, and it was weird to look back on the 6 years, because I saw things of like acupuncture, and if you drink this you'll get pregnant, and if you're doing IVF and you do pineapple core, it'll help the baby take, and all these articles and magazines and books and calendars, and then it's here, and it's a year later, and it's crazy how much all that goes away, and you have only the best memories. And I have to say, it's I'm very happy. This tribe of 5 is complete. I'm so glad you got to see his birthday. What a year. You guys tell me how you celebrate your baby's birthdays. I love planning a party. I've got a little princess party coming up. Should it be princesses and wizards, princesses and princes? Brooks wants it to be princesses and Scooby-Doos. Not sure that goes together, but I love hearing from you guys. Make sure and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video. Next week, we're gonna be doing our Valentine's Day makeup video. We're gonna go a little bit non-traditional, non-red. We're gonna think more like plum tones, raspberry tones. We're gonna do a smoky, smoldering eye. I think you guys are gonna love it, and it's very kissable, so make sure and check it out.